Hello everyone, let's find the value for this expression. So according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule, PEMDAS, here P stands for parenthesis, E exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here in multiplication and division you have to remember both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. And same for addition and subtraction also. So here division and multiplication is there, so both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. First we'll solve this one. Okay, here two division is there. If more than one division is there, then also you have to go from left to right. So first we'll solve this one. So let's solve this. 5 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5 into 5. Then solve this one. 1 divided by 5, so you can write this as 1 by 5 times 5. So cut this, so you will get the value 1. This is the correct value.